Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss, the Pacific Mountain Sport Youth and Adult Hardtail Mountain Bike. This bike is making waves in the world of cycling, and it's not just for adults but also suitable for youth. Stick around as we dive into the features and benefits of this fantastic bike. First off, let's talk about why the Pacific Mountain Sport Youth and Adult Hardtail Mountain Bike is being hailed as one of the best bikes for women on the market today. One of the standout features of this bike is its durable 15-inch steel mountain frame. It's built to take on bumps and drops with ease, making it perfect for off-road adventures. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, this frame can handle it all. This bike also comes equipped with a front suspension fork, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough terrains. Paired with 24-inch wheels, it strikes the perfect balance between stability and agility. Shifting gears seamlessly is essential when you're tackling different types of trails. That's why the Pacific Mountain Sport Bike boasts 18-speed twist shifters and a reliable rear derailleur, guaranteeing consistent and effortless shifting. Safety is paramount when riding, and this bike has you covered. With front and rear V-brakes, you can trust that you'll have controlled and responsive stopping power whenever you need it, adding an extra layer of safety to your adventures. Versatility is key, and this bike offers just that with its 3-piece mountain crank, providing a wide gear range. Whether you're climbing steep hills or cruising on flat trails, you'll find the right gear for the job. Another advantage of the Pacific Mountain Sport Bike is the combination of alloy rims and wide mountain tires. This duo offers durability, strength, and excellent on-trail traction, ensuring a stable and confident ride. Now, let me share some personal insights into this bike. I had the opportunity to ride it, and I must say I was impressed. The assembly process was straightforward, and I appreciated that most of the bike comes pre-assembled, which saved me a lot of time. The seat that comes with the bike might not be the most comfortable for longer rides, but that's a common issue with thin bike seats. I replaced it with a more cushioned one, and that solved the problem. Adjusting the bike to fit my height and riding style was a breeze. What really surprised me was the bike's durability. I had an unfortunate encounter with a car, and while the bike suffered some minor damage, it held up remarkably well. This speaks to the quality of the materials used in its construction. To sum it up, the Pacific Mountain Sport Youth and Adult Hardtail Mountain Bike is a fantastic choice for women looking for a reliable and versatile ride. Whether you're hitting the trails for an adventure or simply commuting around town, this bike has you covered. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in purchasing the best bike for women in the market, don't hesitate to check out the Pacific Mountain Sport Youth and Adult Hardtail Mountain Bike. It's a solid investment that will provide you with endless riding enjoyment. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow cycling enthusiasts. Until next time, ride safe.